Rice wine is very easy to make at home. Click our rice wine playlist if you are interested to learn how. We have another batch in the making. It is only 45 days old. We hope to reveal the result of our 100 days rice wine in our future video. Today we will be making soya sauce chicken stew with rice wine all in one pot. You can make this soya sauce chicken stew without rice wine, but trust us, with a little rice wine, this stew goes up another notch to food heaven. If you do not have any rice wine, you can use other type of wine, perhaps beer? Everything goes into one pot, which makes cleaning simpler. This is garlic chili oil, which will add spiciness to the dish. Click our garlic chili oil video if you want to watch that. Lastly, in goes 150 ml of rice wine and enough water to cover all the ingredients. Bring the stew to a boil, simmer until most of the sauce has evaporated. This stew is amazingly tasty and so fragrantful. Give it a try yourself.